Struggling to locate the password option in Wikipedia's settings? Learn the exact steps to change your password in under 2 minutes. We'll start with your personal settings, then preferences, and finally the straightforward password change form. Follow along, no detours. To start, go ahead and click on Personal Settings. Then select Preferences from the options that appear. Now, inside Preferences, click on Change Password. Type in your new password in the field provided. Finally, click Continue, and you're done. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.